Hello everyone and welcome to the channel.
In today's video, we're going to attempt to create an eggless gelato as requested by one of our viewers.
Let's not waste any time and get straight into it.
So for this recipe, we're going to use a set of scales to weigh the ingredients, and I'm going to use a KitchenAid just to make my life a little bit easier, but you can use a hand mixer or a whisk if you're feeling up for it. So, scales are on. I'm going to grab my bowl for the stand mixer, and now we're going to add 281 milliliters of double cream to the stand mixer bowl. Just a little bit more. 282, close enough. Now we're going to mix that up and get it to stiff peaks. And now let's get this bad boy on. Okay, the cream is nicely whisked. We've got whipped cream now. I'm going to remove the bowl. And now we're going to add 225 grams of sweetened condensed milk. So 225, in it goes. And last but not least, the flavor. For this one I'm going to use a vanilla bean paste, and I'm going to go in with about 1 teaspoon. Now, if you like the vanilla flavor to be a bit stronger, you can always add a bit more extract, but I think this is quite enough. In the mixer it goes again, and this time we're going to put it on a lower speed and make sure everything is nicely incorporated. Okay, now I've got an empty Creamy Deluxe tub, and now we're ready to add it to the container. Gonna give it a little tap to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. And now the lid goes on and we're ready to freeze for 24 hours. So we'll see you when it's ready.
Right, it's been 24 hours since we put our eggless gelato in the freezer. So let's put it in the Creami and see what it comes out like. So let's get it turned on. We're gonna go for the full pint, and we're gonna put it on gelato. Here we go. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, interesting. Actually looks more like ice cream than gelato. Definitely looks interesting. I mean, considering that it's eggless, it's certainly different compared to the other Ninja Creami desserts we've done, but I mean, it looks okay. It is still quite creamy, very thick. I guess the only thing that's left to do is to do a taste test. I have to say, the taste isn't bad, but the texture, it's kind of like eating butter. But as I said, eggless gelato, what are you expecting? So that was us attempting to create an eggless gelato. Now, in conclusion, if you haven't got any dietary requirements, we would recommend just sticking to normal gelato.
However, if you want to get the eggs out of the gelato, maybe try an ice cream instead.
That's all from us. Thanks for tagging along, and we'll see you again on the next one.